Derived column transformation. Using this transformation, we can generate a new column based on the specified expression. Here I am in the ADF and I am inside a data flow. Here I have a source. It has 3 columns: first name, last name and department. Now let's add a derived column. This is the output stream name. Optionally we can add description. Here is the incoming stream. Now we can add derived column. So we can either add a new column or replace existing column. I am adding a column name city. Here I am giving us text value. Let's say Delhi. And we'll check the data preview. Refresh. Here we can see the new column city is added now with the values Delhi.